So this is a quick video of how to change the oil on the final drives, track motors here. So every track motor will have at least two plugs in it. This one has got one that says level, one that says drain. But obviously they need to be facing the right way. So we're going to turn the track until the one that says drain is down here at the bottom. Now we've got the drain one at the bottom. Going to get nearly always an Allen key and a drain pot and stick the draining pot under here when we've undone it. It's also a good idea to take this one out because it will drain out easier. So we'll get this one out first. We'll take this one out. We'll get our pot ready. Stick it under there. And ta-da! God, it stinks. It definitely needs to come out. There we go. All the oil is draining out into the pot.
Daddy, what is that for? What is that reaver for? What's it for, Daddy?
Make sure you give these a good old clean before you stick them back in again, in case there's any metal filings on there.
Good day. Daddy lifted up a digger.
Thanks, Ollie. Right.
A little digger.
Most of it's out now. So we're going to stick the bun back in.
Oh. Like how the smooth. Let it go smooth.
Thanks, Ollie. If I can get it in. Come on, fingers. It's cold this morning. Got it. Do it back up again.
Are you going to do the other one now?
Right, so what we're going to do with the other one, Ollie,
What?
is we are going to get
Oh, yeah.
our pump. This has got our gear oil in it. Now you don't have to have anything this fancy. You can just have a little pot, which I'll try and find a picture of now, and stick the gear oil into that. So I'll put in 80/90W gear oil back in there. If you can see it there. Right, stick it in the hole, turn the tap on, and then we'll just pump the oil in. Oil going in and out. Pump the oil in slowly until it starts coming out the hole. Now sometimes you need to turn these. There'll be a little line or something. Sometimes it will say level, sometimes it won't, until it's in the right place.
Daddy?
Some of them say level. Some of them you just need to have, yeah, sort of 90 degrees, say 3 o'clock. So still filling it with oil. Just go. It's not going to take masses of oil, this one.
Do you sometimes need to do that big digger over there?
Yep, it's the same on little diggers and big diggers, Ollie.
And even those 2 yellow diggers.
Yellow diggers. Which yellow diggers are you talking about?
Your 2 yellow diggers.
Oh, those ones. Yep.
Your one.
Yeah, it doesn't matter what make of digger it is. Yep. Just running commentary by my son there.
I just saw a bird.
Lovely.
So I'm going to come out.
Yep, still going down. You can just see it disappearing underneath the hole.
Danny,
There we
how
go.
does more oil get in your oil pot?
I'll show you that another day, mate. There we go. Right. Wipe off the excess. I now see the oil isn't disappearing. Come on, get the camera a bit closer. You can just about see there's oil in behind the bung. Pop you back there. Screw the bung in without dropping it.
Now, Daddy, do we need to do the other side?
No need to do it tight. Then we can do the other side. Sorted. There we go. Now you know how to change the track motor oil and the final drive of the track motor.
Now I know!
Now we know.